is the Hyperflo Generation 2 exhaust with the sound cores removed. Sound cores are easily added or removed. They come with every system with the billet tips, and they've been taken out now. This is what it sounds like with the sound cores removed. By side, and you'll tell how much deeper this tone is. Again, the nice thing is you have best of both worlds. If you want to take quite a bit of bite out of that volume, you can by putting the sound cores back in for long rides or whatever, or take them out and just blow everybody away.